Okay, further to my last post, I just wanted to show an example of where the window that I've had installed is now fading. Here we go. So the window is completely closed. They've done it to the maximum adjustment, I'd assume. So it's very tight down there. And here I had a spider that's actually got a web on my window now. So if you can see that spider web, and you can see it moving. The line behind, in front, is not moving as much, is barely moving. You can clearly see the spider web is actually moving with the draft that's coming through the fully closed window. Okay, so it's just an example of obviously the Everest installation. I wouldn't say it's the product that's actually wrong, but the way the product's been installed has obviously just made it foul. Okay, so just maybe consider this if you're thinking of getting Everest Windows. Okay, thank you, bye.